Hey guys, so this is another platform where you could try to bring awareness to your project um, and get more investors or potential investors and help grow your project. So YouTube is another platform where you could do this. Um, this works for crypto, and I guess it could work for any other projects or investments outside of crypto as well. And in order to get the correct web page for your project or investment, you should go to the main company's website. So you can do a Google search for it. I already know my company's website address, and you can verify it by looking at other top companies' websites and making sure it's the correct one. So I know this is the correct one. I'm going to that company's website, and you could usually find the social media links at the top of the page or somewhere on the home page. If it's not on the top, then on the bottom. And you can see that there is a YouTube link over here, so that's the one we want to go to for this part of the video, for this segment. So if you hover over it, you can see on the bottom right what the address is, web address is. It's youtube.com/c/Axion official. I already have that page loaded like you saw before, and you can see right there in the beginning. Let us protect that video, press enter, and that's the same address in the address bar. This will pop up, and this could be helpful if your company has a YouTube video. I mean, a YouTube official YouTube link. This project has, so I'm going to show you how to do this um, for the project I'm involved in, and if your project has one, you could do it as well. So the first thing you could do is, if you don't have a YouTube account, it's connected to Google, so you could use your Google account, or if you don't want to use your personal account, you could create a new one and make it an anonymous account or private account. And after you do that, you log in. I'm already logged in. And then once you're logged in, you can click subscribe over here to subscribe to your project's official YouTube account, and then click on the notification button or bell if you want to get notifications. After you do that, you can go to the latest videos. You can check out the main homepage here to see what's connected, what are the videos posted on the main homepage, and you can see these additional links here for this platform. This is a link to the main website. This is the Discord server, Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit. So I'm going to sort by videos tab first, and this sorts it by newest to oldest. So this is the newest one, which was 10 days ago, and you can see that by it's sorted. You can sort by most popular, the oldest or newest. So the newest one has only 506 views, and then next newest one has 3,900 views, and the third one has 860 views from 2 months ago. So I'm going to sort by most popular, and you can see this one has 127,000 views, so that's a lot different from only 570 views, like I think I said before for the other video. The next highest one has 16,000 views, so that's a big drop off. And the third highest one is 13,000. Fourth is 3,900, like I said for before when we showed it by newest video. So I want to sort by newest again, and then show you how you could
Well, this is my personal opinion, is we've got the ability to go
first
back
click
to a
pause on
period with
this. So this is me right here, Prano Aum. So you can see I participate in that. And you can leave a like for the videos in your for the project's official YouTube page for all the videos that are in there, especially the recent ones and the most popular ones. You can leave a like, and we already clicked subscribe at the beginning, and then you can start leaving comments here, and then leaving a like and replies also. So that's me right there. I already left a reply, and I'm gonna sort by newest over here. See, right now sorted by top comments. Okay, so I already liked all of these. You don't have to like every one of them. There's going to be some negative ones if people don't like something that, or they're feeling down about it. Okay. You just type your comment here. So Axion is going to be great. You could do that and just click comment, and you can see it pop up there. I was just showing you how to leave a comment, and I can leave a thumbs up just to show you how to do that. Thumbs down takes it off, thumbs down turns it off again. But I'm going to delete that tweet. I mean, not tweet, but my comments, so I'm going to delete that. Yep, so that shows you how to do it on an official account, how to leave a comment. Just leave a thumbs up for following comments, and leave a thumbs up for the video itself. And we're already subscribed, so that's the first step to do. You could click share to share it on other platforms. So if you have a Twitter account, you can share it on there, Facebook. You can embed it, I guess, in your emails or something. You could share it on Reddit and these other platforms. Pinterest, I haven't used in a long time. Blogger, Tumblr, LinkedIn. So you could, and you could also copy and paste it into your other accounts by just clicking on that. Okay, so that's for the main account. And you repeat that step for the other videos in here, and you can sort it by going back to here, the videos, sort it by most popular, and start from there too. So, you want to boost the most popular videos also. And after you do the official account, you could look for other accounts that are also making videos for on YouTube, Axion videos, or whatever your project is, and try to sort it by the newest first. See, this video was made by this person and got almost 200,000 views, and that was over a year ago. This got almost 8,000 views. This one was a former team member, got 1,300 views. This one only got 36. This Crypto Casino, he makes a lot of videos. And here's another video by him. And this person got a lot of views. So you can make your own videos. I'm not on camera doing this, but other people go on camera and do it. And this is another interview by a former team member for Axion. Yep, and people make what is it? Complaining videos also. So this is crypto beef. So he's calling out this other person right there. You could even have your way with that too. It brings more eyes. Even if though it's negative, it still brings more attention, and people may overlook that and even still take a look and decide to invest anyway. So negative attention probably could turn out to be a good thing. So I'm gonna actually go to see something like this. Even though this person right here, Verge TV, might be a good person, these might be. It could be like robots or something that are giving fake views, so you got to be careful with that. I think you could pay for stuff like that. I'm not saying he did it, but that might be the case in some of these videos where it has fake views. You have to look into that to see if that's the case. See, there's another video that got 266,000 views. It was a pretty popular video, and he did a very good job of making it. This person right here. That was over a year ago. Here. This was 5 days ago. Yeah, I'll do that one for Crypto Casino. He's a good follower.
The Dano
He's
will
an
be
investor.
what you call an infrastructure type.
He's from the UK. You could hear his accent. So I already left a like on there. I already subscribed to him. He only has he has a good amount of followers, and he doesn't use bots, so that's why he doesn't have that many subscribers as other people. That's probably a big reason why. So that's me right there. I left a comment, and I'm not gonna like my own comment. So he replied back to me, and I left a thumbs up to him, and then I replied back to him, and this person left a comment too. So you can subscribe, like, for other people who are actually supporting your project, and not just the official accounts. And I know another person here is Superman Axion token. So this first person, Crypto Casino, he does a good job making videos for Axion and other investments that he's involved with. And he's a big help to the project, so I like to help support him out. And Superman is another top YouTuber that makes a lot of videos. So you can see a video I made over here for Axion before. This is a very long video. I only got 45 views for it. And here's another video Crypto Casino made, which he got more views for that one from 2 weeks ago. And he makes a lot of videos. So Crypto Casino makes a lot of videos, and Superman Axion Token makes a lot of videos. As you can see, where there are 713, and he has over 2,000 subscribers for this channel of his. He has other projects he does, and so he has other channels besides this one. So he has a lot of videos here. I'm gonna sort, and I'm already subscribed to him. And he's got his additional links over here. I'm gonna sort by videos, and just go by newest to oldest. So I'm gonna select this one. This is an advertisement.
I call it the wheel.
Alright, so that was a Super Bowl ad. If you're in America, you probably saw that ad for the Super Bowl, American Super Bowl. So I already left comments here. Not many people comment, but you could do that. And then he replied to me, and I just gave a thumbs up to show that I read his message. And you could just leave a like, subscribe, and check out the videos yourself. He makes a lot of videos, about a few per week. I just wanted to show you that. Too bad I have to watch an advertisement.
I don't think so. What does it do?
I can't watch 2 minutes of an advertisement, or a whole 2 minutes for that. Yeah, but that's the way you could support your investment through YouTube, by going through the official YouTube account. Let me see if I can pull that up here. You can find your official YouTube account if your company has one through the company's main website. And if they don't have one, then you could find other people who are actually supporting it through their own YouTube channels or accounts. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. You just click subscribe to the main Axion official account and start liking and leaving replies to the videos over here under their account. Thank you for watching, and I think I'll have more segments on how you could help boost your investment and bring more eyes to your project, so it could help boost the analytics and bring the ranking up for your project and get more marketing through your own efforts, and not just relying on the company's efforts to pay a marketing company to do it for you. You could also help out as well. Okay, thanks for watching.